Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to quickly look at how to extract color from picture, object or background. We are going to learn how to extract color from picture, object or background. I'm going to explain this in a few minutes. All right, but then if you are new to my channel, I am Ima Graphics, and here we learn everything related to graphic design. Kindly subscribe by clicking that red button below and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss any of my future upload. So what do I mean by extracting color from picture? Remember, if you have been following me, remember I made a video on how to pick a color. For instance, if you want to pick a color, you can see that this lady wear this cloth attire. So this cloth comes with so many color. You can see black here, you can see red, you can see yellow, kind of yellow, or even a skin color. As you can see, brown, it's also a color which you can actually come here. I told you that if you want to pick a color, you come down here, so you pick the color eyedropper tools here, just click on it. So you can just come here, click. Let's say if you want to pick this red, so you can just come here and pick this red. As you can see, so we have picked a red color. So I'm going to change this particular one to red. Look closely, you can see that we have red here. So this is how you pick a color. All right, this is how you pick a color. So this is the reason why I'm showing you this, so that it will be easier for you to understand what we are going to do now, how we are going to quickly separate the color just with one click, because this one is pretty much, it's going to take your time for you to come here, and so you have to do it one after the other. Come and pick black, come and pick red, and pick white, and so it's going to take time. Pick green. For you to do all that, it's going to take time for you to do that. But in order for you to do this as quickly as possible, you have to just extract the color, or at once. So you don't need to now go to eyedropper tools in order to pick the color. So you just have to just do it at once. So all of this color, I picked it, I extract this color at once. So I'm going to show you how I extract all this color from this background. All this 10, this is 10 color. If I want to increase it, I can increase it to 1400. As many color I can extract from this picture. As you can see, this is basically, it's like I'm creating a new color palette. If you look closely here, this is my color palette. All right, so this is my color palette. So this is where you choose a color to design whatever you want to design. All right, so you can pick a color from here. But if I'm going through this other route, if I'm going through this route, it's like as if I'm creating a new color palette for myself, which is far more better, because this color will match the color of this lady. All right, the whatever attire that she's wearing, or the clothes that she's wearing, whatever it is. So the color that when we, as a designer, you want to design something that the color that mix up with the picture of the person, or whatever the person is wearing. You want the picture to match with the background or the color that you are using to design whatever you are designing. So in order for you to have quickly get the idea of the color of the picture that will match up with what the person is wearing, is for you to be able to do what I'm about to show you just now. So without any further ado, I'm going to create a new environment, so that we can start from the beginning, so that you can see. So I'm just going to click here and add another page, a new page entirely. I'm creating a new page entirely. So now this is my new page. Okay, hang on a second, guys. Okay, now so this is my new page. So this page comes with no color. If you look closely down here, there's no color, as you can see, but we have our color palette over here. But down here, if you look at my cursor or mouse down here, there is no color here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the same picture, so that you can see that I did not change anything. So this is the picture. I'm going to just drag this picture to my CorelDraw. So system is a bit slow, guys. Be patient with me. Come on, guys, my system is slow, guys. Just gonna have to wait. And so now it's back. So I'm just going to drag this lady down here, this model. So now, as you can see, if you look closely, you can see it's the same exact picture, the same picture that we used before, right? So now what I'm going to do, as long as this picture is selected, all right, so the next thing that you are going to do, as you can see, this picture is selected. come to window. This is your window, your menu bar. Click on window. I told you guys that this is called menu bar, so you click on window. So this is my window. So once you click on window like this option will come. You have a drop down menu like this. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come to color palette. So click on this color palette, and then this other option will come up. So now click on this second one that says add colors from selection. Add colors from selection. You click on it. So you have this box. Okay, this box, when you look closely, you can see that this box have over, this has, okay, 1 to 10 colors, just as you can see on this particular place. If you look closely here, you can see 10. So we only have 10 colors here. But if you want to extract more color from this background, all you need to do is just type whatever, just type 50. Let's say 50 for instance. So now you can see that we have about 50 colors that we extract from this particular picture. So if you want red, you will definitely see red, green, yellow, whatever color that the background has, you are going to have it here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to reduce it to 10. I'm just showing you something, so we don't need all this. So I'm going to reduce it to 10. So I click on OK. So when you look closely down here, you can see that color, this color, the color from this background is showing here. So now you have created your own color palette that you are going to use to do your work. All right, so we have created a new color palette instead of using what you have here, because the color that you need, you might not find it quickly, or you won't be able to know how to mix one color with another in order to achieve the color that you're looking for. So it's easier for you to extract the color from the background or the picture or whatever the person is wearing. All right, so basically the idea is to be able to ensure that the color matches with what the person is wearing, so that as you are designing, it will make sense, all right, when you present it to somebody. So the color combination will make sense, all right, when you finalize your design. So yeah, that's what I thought of to show you guys today. And let's just try it one more time so that some of you can understand. So I can just bring this okay, let me extract from here. Okay, so I'm going to extract from here. Now I'm going to delete this. I can delete this. Okay, there's no need, I don't have to delete that. So I'm just going to delete this particular one and bring this one to the middle. So I'm going to extract the color. So like I said, come to window, all right, and then click on color palettes. So add color from the selection. So once this is done, as you can see, we have been able to extract this color. So we can click on OK. Let's add more. This time around, I'm going to say, let's say 20. So click on OK. So you can see that we have an additional color down here. So tell me what you think under the comment section, and I will be very happy to respond. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.